infamous Corporal Kieran McKay?
Aye, that's me.
Impressive record. Multiple commendations for engineering excellence, with reprimands for insubordination, failures of discipline, and willful destruction of Army property.
Well, I don't always think things through.
It says here that you're serving 3 weeks for hospitalizing your CO. Care to talk me through it?
Bunch of rookies on base, barely 3 days in. Failed surprise inspection. That ray of sunshine decided the best way to teach them the error of their ways was to run them into the ground. 2 of them developed hypothermia. Figured I'd give him a dose of his own medicine. Or at the very least, a dose of some of the strongest bowel unblockers I could find in the infirmary. That fucker got to do some running of his own that night. Never could stand bullies.
Well, Corporal McKay, I've got a proposition for you that I think will be mutually beneficial.
Your call sign is Torque. Want to slow down the enemy? Razor wire, baby. Kicking ass old school since WW1. The Barricade is deployable cover. Same shit as razor wire, but with microwaves. A human toaster oven. Sweet. Goes right in the toolbox.
When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Clear sky. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity